Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Paramount Plus subscription from Apple Store, Google Play, or even web? Well, you can easily cancel your Paramount Plus subscription depending on how you originally signed up. The method varies slightly if you subscribe via the Apple Store, Google Play Store, or directly the website. So, when you're canceling via the Apple App Store, you need to open your settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap on your name or profile picture at the very top of the screen, tap on subscriptions, select Paramount Plus subscription from the list, and tap on cancel. If you're doing it from the Google Play Store, then open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon, tap payments and subscriptions, find and select the Paramount Plus subscription in your list, and tap on cancel subscription and follow the on screen prompt. Now, in order to go ahead and cancel it via the web app, all you need to do is click on your profile icon once you have went to paramountplus.com and signed in into your account. Then under the subscription and billing, all you need to do is cancel subscription link or button, and then simply go ahead and follow the final instruction to confirm cancellation. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.